With Park Assist, you can parallel park or angle park. So what we're going to do today is to parallel
Parallel
park.
park, okay.
So all you do is you use the indicators to tell the other people what you're doing.
Mm-hmm.
So you drive past the park as you indicate, and then you press the Park Assist button, which is just here.
Yep.
And so what that's doing is it's scanning the park on the left-hand side.
Yep.
And you'll see that that's opened up to be available park, and it's saying keep going forward. Now it says arrow back. So this is when you put it in reverse and let the car do its own thing. So I'm hovering my foot on the brake to keep it from going too fast. It'll get to a certain point and it'll tell us when to go forward. You get to an area where the computer will tell you to go forward or put it into drive.
Okay.
So you get reasonably close to the car and behind you, and then it says on the screen to go forward, so you put it into drive, and then it's just a matter of allowing it to do what it wants to do. And then when you're happy with where you're parked, all you do is you put it into park,
Yes.
and you're finished.
Great.
So that's Park Assist.